why don't you guys go get my coffee up there?
Where'd it go? Oh. Oh man. There you go.
Really?
Say thank you. Oh god. Good morning, guys. We're here bright and early. Sun's barely over the trees over there. It's really pretty. It rained all night last night, so it's a little hazy, foggy. And the sun's just kind of peeking through clouds. But we're trying to get the trench dried out because they're coming to pull wire today. So they're coming to pull wire through the conduit pieces underground. So that's what the yellow rope is for, is so that they can attach the wire to the wire and then pull the wire through, hook it up to the meter base, and then next, like tomorrow and the next day, they'll come do the pull and the actual like wiring of the pole. So we'll see how this goes. Sounds pretty. You can't hear it or feel it, but the raindrops are falling off the trees. They're here, so we'll see how this goes. We just took our little makeshift fence down. Dad cut a little tree down that was gonna be in the way.
You guys have a good day.
You too. Apparently the pole people are here. They told me the next couple days because they didn't have a big enough crew, but they're here and ready to go. So guess we're getting a pole in today. I was gonna drone it, but I was gonna charge my drone battery for tomorrow. So now I don't have a drone to drone this, so you'll have to just deal with regular footage. It's so funny because Mom called us on her way to work and said, the pole's coming, and we're like, oh, the pole's not supposed to come today. But sure enough, she was right, so thanks, Mama. The big truck is here, and we're just waiting on the pole. Okay, going to grab dude. The pole's, shoot, I just saw the truck go down there. Shoot, 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 shoot. Gotta grab him quick. Quick, quick, quick. Come on, dude, let's go. Come on, quick, quick, quick.
We're gonna clean here soon.
Quick, 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 Damien.
There's Mommy.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Where's your rain boots?
Come on.
Okay.
The pole just went down there.
Quick.
Quick, quick, quick.
Go watch the big hydro pole being put in.
Yeah, we're gonna go see a big truck. Okay, we got the dude. Come on. Cool. Oh, stop your barking. My goodness. It's not as tall as what I expected to see it. But on the truck, I expected it to look like really long.
And now when we drop that in there,
All the water's gonna
come up out.
go up the pipe. Dude, look it. Do you see? Oh. Here.
Watch, he's gonna pick that pole up and put it in the
Damien,
hole.
watch.
This is cool, buddy. Watch.
Look at, watch. You're gonna pick the pole up and put it in the hole.
Did even anybody look in the hole for water?
Nope. They just don't care. Look at that, dude. Well, they got a freaking auger on it anyway. They really wanted to drill it back out.
Pretty small pole compared to the thing. I thought it was.
I know. Well, I guess that's what the gravel's for. So
yeah, but it doesn't look like that much gravel now.
Yeah, I don't know. It's amazing that they. It's amazing that they do all of this for $1,200. Yeah. Like, it's because they make their money off of the actual power freaking supply.
Mommy.
Look at, watch. They're gonna pick it up. Watch.
And you put that?
Yeah, they're gonna put it in the hole. Watch.
Come here.
Oh, good thing you got a hard hat on. Did you see what happened? Oh, jeez. Did you see what happened? The wire came back up and hit him in the back of the head. Ah, I was wondering how they were gonna keep it from flopping everywhere. Can you imagine? We're gonna have to go through this all over again. Not the pole, but like the trench. We have to have it inspected again, and
yeah, but we'll have to deal with that.
And we already know what to expect.
Did we get out of here so we don't have to worry?
No, they said we were fine. Damien, look at the pole.
I still don't understand.
Diesel, come.
Be a good boy.
Well, they got to line that up with the... Oh, it's so ugly. I was hoping so, like doing a garden around it or something. I don't know. That's it, the pole's standing by itself. Alright, so they just, we took off the 90 at this end, at the panel side. They don't want it on it. The other guy took it off on the other end when they ran the wire. So now, I guess they're gonna run the actual wire. So we'll have power hopefully soon. That's insane. Okay, it's hooked up in there. Alright, so they're done at our pole now. So they're gonna move over to the one across the road and hook up this cable.
Yeah, what do you mean not yet? Ah. Oh, that was heavy.
We're gonna be here all day. Good job, dude. Good job. Oh, there we go, 0000. It's done. Lock is on it. There's our meter.